Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is on Amazon. You will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. Automatically ranging true root mean square (TRMS) digital clamp meter for HVAC applications. Measures 600.0 AAC current and inrush current. Measures 750 volts AC, 600 VDC voltage. DC microamp. Resistance, continuity, frequency, duty cycle, capacitance, and diode tests. K-type thermocouple port for measuring temperature from -328 to 2462 degrees Fahrenheit, -200 to 1400 degrees Celsius. Detect AC current with non-contact voltage tester integrated into the clamp jaw. See more product details. The number 3 on the list is choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Clamp meter measures AC current and NCVT via clamp and AC-DC voltage. Resistance, frequency, DC microamps, capacitance, duty cycle, diode test, and continuity via test leads. And temperature with thermocouple, non-contact voltage tester integrated into the clamp jaw. Backlit LCD for ease of viewing in low light. Automatically ranging true root mean squared (TRMS). Measurement technology for accuracy. Test lead holder on side of clamp and optical magnetic hanger for meter. CAT. NOS. 69445 or 69417. For hands-free operation. The number 2 on the list is many positives. Reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. Compact, small enough to fit in a work bag. It goes where you go. For everyday applications, where true RMS accuracy isn't needed, the Fluke 302 Plus delivers reliable measurements time after time. Cat 3 safety rated, and tough enough to withstand daily use. Won't let you down on your job. Specifications are backed by Fluke's reputation in measurement. Readings you can trust. The number 1 on the list is this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. Test lead holder on side of clamp and optical magnetic hanger for meter. CAT. NOS. 69445 or 69417. For hands-free operation. Non-contact voltage tester integrated into the clamp jaw. High visibility reverse contrast LCD display for improved viewability in all ambient lighting conditions. Automatically ranging true root mean squared (TRMS). Measurement technology for accuracy. Measures AC-DC current and NCVT via clamp and AC-DC voltage. Resistance. Frequency. DC microamps. Capacitance. Duty cycle. Diode test. And continuity via test leads. And temperature with thermocouple. See more product details.